Hey 8th graders, we are going to plot points and review how to plot points on a coordinate grid today. So here is an image of a coordinate grid. I want to start off with the rules for plotting points. When you are determining the location of a point, you always need to start at the origin. The origin is the point 0, 0, and it is right in the center of your coordinate grid. The next step is to determine the x value, and that's by moving left or right along the x-axis. Right here where I'm drawing this dot is the x-axis. So we either start at the origin, and we either move left or right along the x-axis. The last thing we want to do is determine the y value by moving up or down along the y-axis. The y-axis is the one that goes up and down. So always when we are writing a point, our points are always our x-coordinate first and then our y-coordinate. It always starts with our x and then our y. Let's keep that in mind as we get started. So here is our coordinate grid, and we're going to graph a few points on it. The first point we want to graph is 3, 4. So that's our x value is 3, our y value is 4. We always want to start at the origin. We are going to move positive in the direction to the right because our first number is positive. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3. Our x value is 3, our y value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can go ahead and put our point at 3, 4. The next point we are going to graph is the coordinate grid 2, -6. So again, I'm going to start at my origin. I will go to the right 2 spots, and then I'm going -6, so I will go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I can draw my point at 2, -6. The next point I am graphing is -3, 1. So I want to start at my origin. I want to go to the left 1, 2, 3 times because that's my x value, and I want to move along my x-axis, and then I will go up 1 and go ahead and plot that point. Alright, we'll zoom out real quick. I want to do some more points. The next point that I want to deal with is 0, 5. The point 0, 5, so I want to start at my origin. The 0 tells me to move 0 spots to the left or right, so I'll just stay at 0. And then 5 tells me to go up 5 spots. I can put my point right there at 0, 5. My next point is -4, 0. Again, I want to start at the origin. Am I going left or right first? I'm going left 4 spots. And then my y value is 0, so it's going to hang out right on that x-axis at -4, 0, because we're not moving up at all. Students often get these two types of coordinate points mixed up, so we're going to practice that a little bit more before you get started on your worksheet. Alright, there are 4 different points drawn on here. I'm going to zoom in on a point, and you will tell me what the coordinate grid is. So we are going to start over here. What would be the coordinate of this point, the x and the y value? That's right, our x value is 7, because we're going over 7, the y value is 0. Take a look at this problem. What would my x and y coordinate be for the point right there? That's right, my x value is 0, because I didn't move left or right at all, and my y value is 2. How about this point? You got it. My x value is 0 again, and my y value this time is -5. And the last one, what is the coordinate of this point here? We should have come up with -7, 0. You've got the rest of your packet to do. This is a great review for continuing to talk about slope today. Good luck.